Okay, ready to venture out into the world. Today, I am going to go on a little thrift adventure. Still very weird times. I know that stores have been open for a few weeks now, so I think I should be okay. I've got my mask, I've got my hand sanitizer. I haven't really ventured out too much. I just don't trust people. I'm gonna stop delaying. All right, I'm here. So let's rage. All masked up. Oh, I can breathe now. Sanitize my hands. I think I have time for one more stop. Gotta get working on my next project. Man, people are not respecting this whole distancing thing. I know it's been a couple months, but like people are just going down all the aisles. Like I even noticed which direction you're supposed to be going down aisles, and these freaking women were just like bumping their carts around, like coming right up beside you. Like she literally just followed me the whole time, and anytime I went to look at something, she was right there with her damn cart and her pointy fingers. And I'm just like, dude, like, A, you're going down the wrong direction of this aisle, and 2, get away from me. Hopefully the next one will be better. Back. I didn't film before I went in because there was somebody sitting in the car next to me, and I'm not ready for that. So this one was just about the same. Most people did have masks, which was really good. Did have another crazy woman. Literally, I was looking through sewing patterns and she like came up behind me and she was like, "Can I just look through that really quick?" I'm like, can't wait to get home and show them off. I feel like I need to sanitize my insides. Welcome to my dining room. I am back from the haul. I'm sure I have some things to say about it. That was an adventure. I got things. I don't believe I got really great deals, but decent enough. You never really know, because sometimes like, I really like words, like hair scarves. So I always look for those. And usually if there's a tag on it, they could be anywhere from $5.99 up, and then they could be as low as $1.99 or 99 cents, I guess. Not much to it. And then I get a whole cotton queen size sheet for the same price. Blows my mind, but I digress. First thing I got is a whole bag of lace. There is at least 5 different, I don't know if you can see it very well. It's gonna come into, some of them are small, some of them are a bit wider, which is a great variety. We've got a cream, a light pink, a lot of ivory, white. So this will be great for little details. And it was $5.99. There is a lot. I was like measuring them and wrapping them up on scrap cardboard. And then I know how much I have. Ooh, all right. So this is what I mean. So I got 5 yards of fabric, but I didn't even buy this for the material. It is a nice material. It's see-through, but not much. So it'll be perfect for underneath something. But I bought it because I got obsessed with this fringe detail. Like, oh, look at that glorious fringe. I have so many ideas for it. So it's actually just stitched on. So I'm just gonna rip that right off. And there's so much of it. And it's beautiful and long. Very good condition. So I'm really happy about that. $4.99. Next. Ooh, yes. I remember this. It's a house coat. Has a beautiful lace trim with a little tiny bit of pearl beading. I think it's from the 60s because I looked up this tag and this company hasn't been around since almost the 70s. And the sleeves, oh, they're so pretty. It's like a tulip sleeve. So pretty. Next, so hear me out. They're curtains. They're already pre-cut. They're lined. The fabric is so adorable. It like fits me already as a skirt. I just have to take out, obviously, the metal hooks to take out the pleats. It goes about just below the knee. It won't be much work. And this will be perfect for the fall. Look how pretty that is. I'm in love. There was actually 4 panels. I bought 2. Because again, I can fix up this other skirt, make another skirt out of it. And I know a few people that would love to have it. So I'm quite obsessed. I can picture wearing it with a big maroon or green chunky sweater. I'm kind of thinking I should have got all 4. They were $5.99 each. Next, I don't even know if they list how much. No, they don't. It was definitely a curtain. And again, look at that fringe. It's just so pretty. I don't know why I'm obsessed with fringe today. It's 2 things, but I think they're super nice. And again, there's quite a bit of it, so that would definitely wrap around the whole bottom. Oh, and I also got a bird shirt. Shout out to Winston.
Put on the bird shirt.
So freaking cute. Look at those little storkies. I did buy 2 other things of fabric. One is definitely not in season. It's little cars with Christmas trees. It's like a flannel kind of blanket. I feel like I saw this at the Bay or something like that a while ago. It's actually in very nice condition. It is a queen size, which is a lot. So I'm going to wash this up. I think I'm going to make some pillows for my couches for winter. I actually love little cars with trees. You can probably see it. I have one right here. It's a little salt and pepper shaker. Isn't that so cute? So obviously I would have had to have purchased this almost immediately. The last items I bought, they were sitting almost exactly beside each other. And I've been looking for this shade of blue and this kind of shade of browny taupe kind of color. So they're just bed sheets. So that is the first one. This is almost the perfect shade that I was looking for. It's so light. There's so much light today. And it was just raining. My hair is all flat. And of course, when I'm trying to show color, then the other sheet, it's like a dusty blue kind of color. Anyways, I'm not at liberty to say what I'm going, and don't let they look so good together. I can just stare at that color palette forever. So I'm not going to say what I'm going to be making with these 2, but I'm very excited. I've been thinking about making it for a long time. I don't know when I'm going to get around to making these. He yawns in every video. So hopefully now that I have the fabric, because that was the whole issue, is I didn't have it, I just had the idea, and then what are the odds that they were basically like this, hanging, just screaming my name. If I was able to make that 2-piece with a twin sheet, I think the amount I'm gonna have with 2 queen sizes, I should be good. That is my haul. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my finds. I would love to hear if you have any suggestions on pricing, if you think they were fair, if you think that maybe I got suckered. I would love to hear that. If you think that they're overpriced, I would love to hear that too. Some of the things I really don't care if it was overpriced because they're just perfect to me. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you like some of my purchases. I can't wait to start working with them and showing you what I'm doing. I will see you all in my next video.
Hey, it's Mr. Krabs. Hi, Mr. Krabs.
And I'm like, you know, like a schmuck. Oh my God, a squirrel just jumped on my window. Farley is going to lose his mind. There's a stare off. It's a hit.